What's up everyone, Nick at MarineMax and Nisswa here. Today we are looking at a 2026 Barletta Corsa 23 UC. This boat is equipped with a Mercury V8 250 Barletta engine, so plenty of get up and go. At the back of the boat we have this ultra lounger. Very easy to maneuver this backrest, so we can either lounge facing towards the rear, or we can lay this completely flat. Now we've got a really big bed. All of these seats flip up too, revealing easy access storage. As well too, you can tilt those seats up so you can lounge facing forward, or do the back of that seating, which is really nice as well too. At the midship, we've got our very, very big ski locker here. So all of our goodies that we're bringing with us are in that center tune and out of the way so that all of this space is highly usable. We've also got very nice and comfortable seating in the front, RGB lights throughout the entire boat, as you can see, including in the speakers. Has the JBL sound system, so you'll be cranking the tunes, having a great time. You can check out this boat at MarineMax.com, or you can stop at our Nisswa location and see it for yourself.